In a previous playlist, we created this scatter plot showing total points and rebounds for the leading stars of the NBA. And we created this scatter plot in Tableau Desktop Free Edition. And with Tableau Desktop Free Edition, you can only save your work to your computer. You can't upload it directly to the web. But we also want to install Tableau Public, a different version of the Tableau software that allows you to upload your workbooks to the web. So we're going to get out of this Tableau Desktop Free Edition, and we're going to launch a web browser, and we're going to go to Google, and we're going to search for Download Tableau Public, and then I'm going to click Get Tableau Public. And you need to fill out a little form and then click Download the app. And then you'll have Tableau Public installed on your computer. So let's X out of this screen for a moment. So here I've got Tableau Desktop Free Edition, which is just called Tableau. And this is the one where you can only save your workbooks to your computer. But now I've also got Tableau Public, where I can create workbooks in Tableau Public and then easily upload them to the web.